Highwell Machinery Shandong Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of forming, coating, slicing, and intelligent portion cutting processing machinery in the application of fast food processing. Since 2005, we have been focusing on the development of the meat, seafood, vegetable, and plant-based fast food, and developing the former, batter, pre-duster, breader, horizontal meat slicer, meat strip cutter, meat flattener, meat tenderizer, and intelligent meat portion cutter. Successfully found a complete and suitable solution for customers' food processing. Highwell automatic multiformer, batter, pre-duster, breader, meat tender, and batter feeder machines are awarded the authorization of the CE, approved by Germany TUV. Highwell keeps the equipment at the front ranks of the world. We serve customer with precise and durable machine, reasonable cost, satisfied after-sales supporting. Till now, we already exported reputed firms in Europe, USA, North America, Southeast Asia, Japan, Africa, and Australia. Customer are very satisfied with Highwell machine, user experience, and service. In China, now Highwell is a professional manufacturer in this field and drafter of the national industry standard. Highwell has a complete quality control system, experienced after-sales team, advanced design philosophy, strict management of manufacture process. Highwell has enough spare parts preparation in stock for each model. Once customer has the requirement, we will feedback customer at first beginning and find the solution for their processing. Thanks to this, it is possible to keep running the processing plant stably and reliably.